take a moment to settle yourselves, and wherever you are, just find a comfortable seat and gently close your eyes. Once you have found your seat, take a moment and actually think about what it is to be comfortable in a seat. Where is your body being supported? Feel your sits bones against your cushion or your chair or the floor. Feel the palms of your hands resting on your thighs. If you're in a chair or on a sofa, you can feel the small of your back. Notice that you're being supported without having to actually do anything, and allow gravity to do its work. And begin to gently turn your attention to the breath, not breathing in any particular way, just noticing that you're inhaling and exhaling. Again, as you always are all day long, without actually having to try or force anything. And so we begin the metta meditation with 4 phrases, 4 blessings, 4 wishes that we're going to repeat several times in several different ways. May I be safe. May I be happy. May I be strong. May I live with ease. And again, may I be safe. Feel that sense of safety in your body. May I be happy. May I be strong. May I live with ease. And now we invite into our hearts someone we love. And we offer these blessings, these wishes to that beloved person. May you be safe. May you be happy. May you be strong. May you live with ease. May you be safe. May you be happy. May you be strong. May you live with ease. And now we invite into our hearts a familiar stranger, someone we might pass by every day and perhaps not know anything about them or not even know their name, but they are part of our life, the fabric of our lives, nonetheless. So to the familiar stranger, may you be safe. May you be happy. May you be strong. May you live with ease. May you be safe. May you be happy. May you be strong. May you live with ease. And now, with the same spirit of equanimity, we invite into our hearts someone with whom we have difficulty. And we offer these blessings, these wishes, to that difficult person. May you be safe. May you be happy. May you be strong. May you live with ease. May you be safe. May you be happy. May you be strong. May you live with ease. And finally, we invite all living beings into our heart. And we offer these blessings, these wishes to all living beings near and far. May all beings be safe. May all beings be happy. May all beings be strong. May all beings live with ease. Safe, happy, strong, live with ease. And whenever you're ready, you can slowly come back to the room, open your eyes. A couple of things about that meditation. It was on warp speed. When you do this, as I hope you will, again and again, you can really sink into the metta practice. It can take 10 minutes, 20 minutes, it can take hours. I wanted to give you a little bit of a taste of it. And a couple of other things, just notes. Sometimes people who don't have a prayer practice get sort of confused and are wondering whether this is prayer. I know I did when I first started practicing, and it doesn't have to be metaphysical. It's really the expression of a wish, and I think we all wish. We all wish for ourselves. We all wish for others. I also want to say one thing about the word happy, because that also trips people up. By happy, we don't mean, giddy with joy. We mean, can we be content with what is right now?
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to like and subscribe to stay up to date on all of our latest videos.